friends, happy Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Well, today I am setting the scene for what is coming on Friday, which is a full-blown kitchen decorate with me. And it's turning out so cute. I am loving the vibes. And so today I want to work on 2 spaces, possibly 3 depending on time. And I want to be able to get this done so that when I do my kitchen decorate with me, I can actually pan all the way around. Makes sense? Sometimes I don't get this area done, and I had to be very discreet with my shots because I didn't want to show what was over here just yet. So I kind of want to get this done, and Friday will be a big video. So some things are staying the same, some things are changing. I want to emphasize that when you decorate for each season, you don't have to clear out all your decor. You can just add to it. And so that's what I'm doing. Okay, so today we're working on these wall ledges. These I got from Amazon. They come in a set of 4 or 5. I can't even remember. But in this case, I used 3. I love them because you can decorate through the seasons, adding in seasonal plates, artwork, and so forth. So anyway, these are a great option if you like to switch out your decor as much as I do. I have my wall sconces charging. I'm gonna go grab those. We're gonna start there. So these are the wall sconces I'm gonna put up there. The back of them, they kind of slide onto a hook. So when it comes time to charge, you can either, take your cable and run it to the light. All I did was lift them off, and then I was able to go charge. They charge very fast, and the great thing about these wall sconces is that they're touch base, or they come with a fabulous remote with timing options and so forth, and brightness options. So I love these, and I want to get the gold ones eventually, but I think they come in different styles, but I love these. They're so cute. Here's the remote it comes with. Awesome. All right, this is my mud pie serving board. I've already shared this with you guys. I love the handle, and it's huge. This serving board I got on Amazon as well, and all I did was add a red velvet ribbon, and I'm going to layer. Okay, next I'm going in with these certified international plates as well as this beautiful Christmas plate. So it will look something like that.
Jingle them bells and frolic. Oh, by gosh, some stolly. Eggnog, gin and tonic make Yuletide gay and jolly. Same procedure every year. I just can't get enough. I drink till...
And then I found this cute little gold Christmas tree set at TJ Maxx, and it was only $9.99.
Jingle them bells and frolic. It's the best day of the year. Come fly with me now, Rudy. I'm loaded.
As you saw up top, I have the rectangular serving board, and this is the round one. Again, mud pie. Hopefully they're still available because they're awesome. Look how big the serving board is. Again, what sold me on it was the handle, the twisted handle. See the space all right there? This is gonna fill in. And I have another black serving board which will tie in to the one up top. just a different shape. And the only thing different I did with this one is I added a little tassel. It almost reminds me of an ornament, and you could certainly do that. You could add a bow and then tie a cute little festive ornament to go with your style instead of a tassel if you wish. And now I'm repeating the plaits again. Okay, so right underneath, I want to fill in the space with this large tray. And really, it's just a textural backdrop, and that's it. Next, I have this beautiful, looks like a flower, cake stand, and I'm gonna set it there and put something on top. Okay, so next, these are little ice buckets you can get on Amazon, and they come in 2 different styles, and you get to. Now, I have been buying different stems on Amazon to see which ones I like best, and these are super cool. Just bend them, and then I'm gonna stick them in that little bucket, and it's gonna look so cute and festive. Boom, boom. How cute is that? I'm not sure where I got these, but I'm thinking these were Walmart a few years ago. So I'm just gonna put one here, one there, boom, done. Okay, so now that that's done, let's move over here. All right, let's revisit over here. So we have really tall ceilings. So I'm gonna go in with a basket and a wreath up top. Okay, next, this is a basket tray that I got at Hobby Lobby eons ago. And all I did was take a little tack and twist it right into the basket, which then allowed me to hang this red berry and pine wreath. And then all I did was add a little red velvet ribbon just to add that festive touch. And so as you can see, this then becomes the backdrop for this festive wreath. And it also fills in the space. So now I'm gonna go hang it. I wasn't going to do checkers, but I don't know, they're there. I'm going to add in this Merry Christmas sign. This will probably be the only sign I have going on in my house. I had a lady come and I gave her all my farmhouse signs. So I have this and It's a Wonderful Life. This is just to add in that pop of red festive color, and it's cute. It's cute. No idea where I got this, but I'm thinking it was probably Hobby Lobby a few years ago. Last year, this was a little bit of a splurge. I just knew that they were going to be something I would decorate with every year. Bring them out every Christmas kind of a thing. So aren't they cute? Definitely a Mackenzie Childs dupe. And these are by Regency International.
My head above the water, finally I can breathe again. Lost in the waves I wander, but in your eyes I see no pain. You're a holiday, a break from the rain, sipping your sunshine. Come take.
Okay, so right here I have this ginger jar that I leave out year round. I debated about putting it away because it's bright white. It kind of reminds me of spring and summer. And, I thought, you know what? I can dress it up. I made it a lamp. So what I did was, you can see there's a cord that goes out the back and down. Spotlight in there. A warm white spotlight. And I'm telling you, at night, it's gorgeous because it casts the beautiful design on the wall. And it sort of uplights the shelf. Okay, now I have a little set of bells. And I thought, oh, do I put a ribbon around it, around the ginger jar? Because I'm going to essentially loop this around the top of the ginger jar. So I might just keep it simple yet festive.
Too often we're so different, we're so different. I go, yeah, but we make it fit in. It's just like we're so different, we're so different. I don't quite understand you, you don't get me. It's just like we're blinded by fear.
I do think it dressed it up. I'm glad I did that. Okay, next I have these beautiful decorative cake stands. They actually come in a set of 3. I'm using another one over there. I'm just gonna set this on the bar cart and add something festive to it. What I'm gonna put on top is this cute little festive Christmas topiary. It's glittery and it has little red berries on it. I love it. And so I'm gonna put that on the top. Also at night, that light shines over here. See, this has glitter on it and it just looks really pretty at night. And the next piece is this beautiful Santa. I love this Santa. This was Regency International. I got him years and years and years ago at Wegmans grocery store of all places. Definitely a Mackenzie Childs dupe, but I'm going to set him right here. Down below, I have this marble cake stand, and I put yet another Christmas topiary on top, and we're gonna go diagonal from that one. Then a larger one of those little ice buckets. Santa.
It's been a year. have my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. And I'll be home for you.
All right, everyone. Well, that will wrap up my video for today. I hope I was able to give you some ideas. If you have some wall shelves, ways to utilize your decor in a festive way for the holiday season. If you saw anything you like, I will be sure to link it below, or something similar if it's not in stock. Anyway, come back and see me Friday. I will be busily decorating in the kitchen, and it's so cozy. I love it. If you guys wouldn't mind, please hit the like button on your way out. It greatly helps my channel, and I would so appreciate it. All right, friends, I will see you back here Friday for some fun decorating. I'll see you then. Mwah. Bye, guys.